how to start lots of different businesses for free. Hi, I'm Noelle Randall, real estate entrepreneur, millionaire, author, speaker, mentor, mom of 5, and so much more. I am a multi-millionaire in business, and I have been starting businesses since I was 8 years old. Today, I am worth millions. In this episode, I'm gonna share with you all of the secrets to starting a business, launching a $1 million business, and doing it in just one weekend. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
I'm gonna share with you my biggest secret to starting 11 different $1 million businesses without barely leaving my home, how I only work about 4 hours per week and how I accomplish this, and my super secret to starting a business in just one weekend and making $10,000 in about a week. There are so many benefits to being an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, I am able to create my own business. I can work in the business that I enjoy. You can be an entrepreneur doing hair, doing real estate, doing videos, photography. It's pretty much anything that you can think of, you can make money with as an entrepreneur. So you can create an entire business around your passion. Additionally, once you have your own business and you become an entrepreneur, you literally get to set your own schedule, when you want to work, when you don't want to work, what months or days of the week you are open, which months and years you're closed. You literally can pick what months of the year you work and which ones you don't. Literally, you also can create your own income. There is no cap to how much money you make. When you work a job, you have to work for your salary or your hourly wage. And if you want to make more money, you have to either work more hours, get overtime, get a promotion and things like that. But as an entrepreneur, someone that owns their own business, you have unlimited income potential. You literally can make $10,000, $20,000, $100,000, $200,000, $500,000 in just a month. Literally, you can do this as an entrepreneur, and a job does not offer you all of that. So as an entrepreneur, you get to have your time freedom. It is just so much freedom in being an entrepreneur, and that is why you want to do this. So let's talk about how you get all of these different businesses and how you get them to make money for you. My journey as a real estate entrepreneur did not start the way people think, and I have been able to start so many successful businesses. But the way that I got started, I was working a full-time job while flipping houses. Literally, I was in my early 20s, I was living in Atlanta, and I started flipping houses with a full-time job. Well, when the market crashed in 2008, I literally lost everything. I ended up bankrupt, bad credit, multiple foreclosures, and I had to move back into my parents' basement. But when I was in my parents' basement, I just started going to different classes, different seminars, and I started reading and learning about real estate. I wanted to win in real estate. I didn't want to be this loser that I was. So as I started getting around other people, my mentor and my coach taught me something that is unforgettable. He started teaching me how to find houses where people had the same situation that I had, where they were behind on their mortgage payments, and he told me to market to those people. Well, I was easily able to start wholesaling, and then I started fixing and flipping again, and then I have rental properties. I became a multi-millionaire doing this. Then I kind of got a little bit bored, and I had another mentor that told me how I can start multiple businesses using the expertise that I had in real estate. So from being able to do that, I started teaching real estate. I started showing people my fix and flips. I started making courses and programs. Then I created a YouTube channel, and then I have TikTok and Instagram and all of these social media. Then I got a podcast. Now I literally have a record label. So literally, by doing one thing and starting with just one business, you can create multiple streams of income. So like I said, I started with real estate, and then I started fixing and flipping. I had rental properties. I started teaching it. I have courses. I have books. I have a podcast. I have a YouTube channel. I have sponsor content. I have all of these different streams of income from real estate. So then once you know how to start a business, you can start any business. And let me tell you how I got the record label, because that is how you truly can do anything that you want with business. So once I started becoming successful in real estate, I learned about business credit and business funding. You may not know this, but every business can get business credit and get business funding. So business credit is very much similar to personal credit. There are 3 business credit bureaus. You have Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Experian Business. But Dun & Bradstreet is the #1 business credit reporting agency for businesses. Well, it is very easy to build business credit and then start to get lines of credit, business credit cards, business loans, and then you can fund and market any business that you want and even start other businesses that you're passionate about. Hey, you, are you enjoying this content? Please make sure you click that like button and please subscribe to my channel. We are going to 1 million viewers. I need your help. So please subscribe to this channel and help me get there. We are growing fast and I appreciate you so much. And also don't forget to comment below with your best things about this video. Tell me what video you want me to make because I read the comments and I am going to make the videos that you want me to make. Well, the ones that I want to make anyway. All right, let's get it. Every single business can get business credit and get business funding. I literally have an entire playlist that I'm going to share with you right here, and you need to watch this entire playlist absolutely free on YouTube where I teach you how to build business credit and get business funding even if you have bad credit. So I'm not going to get into that in this video. Watch that entire playlist, but it is really easy to build business credit and get business funding for business, and this is something that you can repeat over and over again. Once you get the business going, you then have money to spend on marketing. So I had a passion for music and I have people that do music and wanted to do music videos. Well, because I have business lines of credit, I have business loans, I'm able to sign people. I was able to start a record label, sign people to agreements, and now we even have them doing music videos and making money with their music. So 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗋 Music is my music label, but this all started from real estate. So literally, once you know how to start a business, you can repeat this process over and over and over again. So there are some simple steps to starting a business that can get business credit and business funding. You really only need these 5 or 6 things to have a business that can get business funding. Then again, once you get that business funding, you can use it for marketing, you can use it for ads, you can use it for commercials, you can buy inventory. It is limitless what you can do with business funding, but the key is to grow your business and get more customers, and that's an easy thing to do, especially once you have the money to do it. So the things that you're going to need is you're going to have your business registered with the Secretary of State. You're either going to need an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company, or a corporation. It can be a S Corp or a C Corp. And again, Noelle is not an attorney or a tax advisor, so I cannot tell you which of these structures to get, but most people do an LLC. The next thing that you're going to need is an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. This is absolutely free. Just go to irs.gov and apply for an EIN for your business. You're going to need an address for your business, and again, probably don't want to use your home address. You can get a virtual address. You can even use, we have a company called New Office, NUUOFFICE.com, New Office, where we do virtual space. Basically, you can rent and get your mail there, and then we will send the mail to you. Okay, that's easy. The next thing that you're going to need is a professional website and a professional email. Once you have these 5 things, you have a solid business that can get business credit and can start building trade lines and get business funding. And there are companies right now that will lend to businesses that just got started. Okay, startups. You can be a company that just got it started and you can get business credit in your business's name. This is very easy to do, and again, this is repeatable. Once you have one business going, you can do this over and over. Get an LLC, get an EIN, get a website, a phone number, an email, and then do this over and over and keep building business credit and keep starting lots of different businesses. And the key to this is make sure that your business is online. So whether you do videography, hair, makeup, anything that you do, make sure you have an online presence so that you can sell your products and services directly over the internet. This way you can reach tons of different people across the globe like Noelle does, make millions of dollars without even leaving your home. I have a special offer just for you. I have written 4 books that I want to give to you absolutely free to help you build lots of different businesses and make millions of dollars just like me. I have poured my heart into writing books and making it very cheap and inaccessible for you to get great information and take yourself to the next level. Go to noellsbookoffer.com and get all 4 of my books absolutely free. You just cover the shipping. That's noellsbookoffer.com. Noelle, Noelle with an S, Noelle's Book, BOOK, Offer, OFFER.com. NoellsBookOffer.com. Get all of my books, Real Estate Millionaire Secrets, Business Millionaire Secrets, B&B Millionaire Secrets, and Toro Millionaire Secrets. All 4 of these books teach you how to take side hustles into $1 million businesses and use other people's money, business credit, business funding to accomplish your dreams. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.